How to change my AI gender on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the gender of your AI on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat. Then go onto the chat icon on your bottom left. Here, tap onto your AI inbox. Tap onto your Bitmoji of your AI on your top left. It will show you this page. Now tap on to Customize, tap on Avatar. From this edit icon, directly jump into the Here section and give it your own touch. Go onto the skin tone and change onto it as you please. Also go onto the Here section if you like to change your male AI to a female AI. Go onto the outfit icon and choose a more feminine look for your AI. Once done, just tap onto Save icon on your top right. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.